Now, the three men convicted of killing Ahmaud Arbery will be sentenced today in a Georgia courtroom. Travis McMichael, his father, Gregory McMichael, and William Roddy Bryan all face mandatory life sentences. Back in November, the three men were convicted of killing 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery. In February 2020, Arbery was out for a jog in Brunswick, Georgia, when the three men chased him, later killing him. NBC News correspondent Catie Beck has been following this case and joins us now from Brunswick, Georgia. Hi, Catie. Good morning. So now we know the three men face life sentences. So let's talk through what we're watching for in a sentencing hearing today. Are lighter sentences possible, or is this about the possibility of parole?
Well, Georgia statutes are pretty tough on that, Savannah, and they are basically all facing a mandatory life sentence. They were all convicted of murder. What will be decided today is, will they be eligible at some point for parole? And even that, under Georgia state law, comes after serving 30 years. So at this point, a lighter sentence really isn't in the mix. What's on the table is whether or not at some point in that sentence they'll be able to be eligible for parole.
And now, Catie, we know that today Arbery's mother will speak at the hearing. What can we expect to hear from her, and who else will we hear from?
Well, we are told we are going to hear from Arbery's mother, also his father, and possibly a third witness on his side. In terms of the defendants, we are not completely sure who will be testifying on their behalf. They will also have a chance to speak to the judge directly as defendants before they are sentenced. So at this point, we know there will be some testimony. We don't expect this to be an extremely long hearing today. The judge who has presided over this case from the beginning will be listening to all of this testimony today, and he will be the ultimate decider of whether or not these defendants are eligible for parole.
And now, while today might be quick, there is more to watch for here in this case. The McMichaels and William Bryan will be in a federal courtroom next month facing hate crime charges. What do we know about that case?
Sure. Yeah, you would think this would be the final chapter for these three defendants, but there's a whole other chapter to this story that has yet to unfold, and that is that hate crimes federal lawsuit that is going to be taking place just about a month from now. All three defendants are charged in that case, and that case really has a different focus than the criminal trial. At the criminal trial, the racial motivations were largely absent from the conversation. That will not be the case in the federal trial. They will focus on social media exchanges, things that the defendants posted of a racial nature, and they will be talking about how Ahmaud Arbery's civil liberties were violated that day because of his race. So that will be a different topic taking center stage. Same three defendants, and of course, again, facing life.
So a lot more to watch for here. Catie Beck, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.